Can your spa or medical clinic meet the increasing demand for an organic skincare product line that has absolutely no synthetic ingredients? One that results in the healthiest, most flawless complexions possible. Golgi offers a professional strength, total skincare system that consists of the most exquisite and rare botanicals available. It is the only certified product line that contains no water. And no water means that there is no need for synthetic preservatives. It also means that Golgi is one of the most effective product lines in today's market. Heat is not used in our production process, which means that it does not destroy the natural benefits of our ingredients. Each Golgi facial product consists of 100% active ingredients. No other certified organic skincare line can make this claim. Golgi has earned the USDA Certified Organic stamp of approval. Golgi never has and never will test its products on animals. I invite you to explore the naturally beautiful benefits of Golgi.